Got a cab high aluminum DCU contractor unit by ARE. It's the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram with a 6.5 foot short bed. Pretty decent shape. Doesn't have a whole lot of damage on this top. Has a small chip right there. Something's hit the back door and kind of flipped up the sticker there. Top edge doesn't look too awful bad. A couple dings and dents on the top. The side here looks really good on this side. A couple small dings in the roof, you can kind of see them. This side looks really good. No damage on the paint on this side. The bottom edge is in really good shape. Has a little bit of corrosion kind of starting around the handle area, which is not uncommon for a unit that's been out in service in the weather. Bottom edge looks really good. It's not a lot of paint damage on this at all. The door opens up and it has a toolbox with shelves on it, or in it. It has the horizontal center shelf with the vertical divider here. You see it's had some use in it. They've put bins in there or what have you. Some stuff sliding around, and it's had some use to it, but not really bad. Nothing that would affect anything. Has the switch to turn the dome lights on when you open the door. It's a dome light right up in here, and then on this side is another dome light right there. And they come on automatically with the door gas prop switch. Shut the door, lock the T-handle, locks the side door down. The front, kind of see some dings in the front panel there. Has no window in the front panels. It's solid sides. It's not really dented up really bad. Just a couple down at that end down there. So it's gonna be kind of hard to see them. There's a couple dents down there. This is probably the worst side. If you can see, there's just a lot of dings on this this edge here. May not even show up in the camera, so it's not horribly bad, but just a lot of dings from the inside, from tools bouncing around inside there. Top edge looks pretty good. Don't see any damage other than just, normal dings and dents on the roof there from tools. This side nice and clean. Little smudge right there. It'll probably come off. Has a half side sliding window in the side. No damage along the bottom edge. The bottom edge looks nice and good. There's no damage from paint damage on this. This one here has screens have been cut out. They must have tore the screens. It had screens in it at one time, but somebody's going through and cut the screens out of this panel over here. You can kind of see where it's had stuff leaning against the side. It's had some wear in here. It's had some wear on the front panel, and then also on the toolbox here. It does have a dome light in the front. It has a dome light right there, a dome light there, and then a dome light right in the center back panel here. Also on this side has the gas prop switch to turn the dome lights on when you open the door. Same as the side door. When this gas prop goes down inside that panel, it shuts the lights off. When it comes out, it turns the lights on. There's a serial number there. This was built specifically for a 2014 Dodge Ram. Short bed, double cab and regular cab short beds. It'll fit the 09 to 18 Ram with the short bed. It has a little bit of corrosion. I don't know if I can see it there. A little bit of corrosion under the rear T-handle on the back there. Nothing you wouldn't expect from a unit being in service, but it is there. So it does have some corrosion around that handle, but everything's still working. Third brake light on the back. So there it is. It's a 23-inch cab high aluminum DCU. Fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram full-size truck with a 6.5 foot bed. Thanks for watching.